Rainforests are forests which grow in the area of high rainfall. Those nearest the equator, where the climate is very hot and wet all through the year, are evergreen because the trees can grow all the time and so are always in leaf. Rainforests once covered 14% of the Earth's land surface, and more than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon River is the world's largest river system. Its annual outflow accounts for 1/5 of all the fresh water that drains into the world's oceans. 121 prescription drugs currently sold worldwide come from plant-derived sources, and while 25% of Western pharmaceuticals are derived from rainforest ingredients, less than 1% of these tropical trees and plants have been tested by scientists. More than 2,000 different species of butterflies are found in the rainforests in South America. 1 in 5 of all birds on the earth live in the Amazon. 80% of the flowers in Australian rainforests are not found anywhere else in the world. Tropical forest oils, gums, and resins are found in insecticides, rubber plants, fuel, paint, varnish, and wood finishing products. The last remaining rainforests could be consumed in less than 40 years. We are losing 137 plants, animals, and insects species every single day due to rainforest deforestation. This equals to 50,000 species a year. We lose 50 species a day, which is 2 species per hour. An area of the rainforest the size of a football field is being destroyed each second. 75% of Australia's tropical rainforest has been cleared since the 1700s. Before the 1500s, there were approximately 6 million native people living in the Brazilian Amazon. By the year 2000, there were less than 250,000. Over 90 different Amazonian tribes are thought to have disappeared in the 20th century. About 50% of all mammals and 25% of all bird species in Malaysia will become extinct by the year 2020. Be aware of the problem, and we can all be part of the solution. And the rainforests of the world and their people can be saved.